Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to lock Excel document with password. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. When data security is paramount, knowing how to password protect an Excel files is essential for safeguarding sensitive information. Excel and Google Sheet help users identify data trend and sort heaps of information into meaningful insights. Password protection, these files help safeguard your data, intellectual property, and hardware from unauthorized access and unintended changes. So how, if you want to protect your Excel document with password, it's very simple. So first of all, first you have to open our Excel. You can open your Excel document that you want to protect with password. This one for the example. Now you can just click on the file. You can go to info, click on info, and you'll find there is an option protect workbook. You can just click on here and you can choose on encrypt with password. You can just click on that. You can enter the password. You can create the password for this files. Now click on OK. You can re-enter the password. Click on OK. So now you have protect your file with password. Let's close this file and try to open this file again. And we'll see that this document requires password if you want to open it. It's very simple, right? So that is how to protect your Excel document with password. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.